Hello, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor. This is Saturday, March 22nd, 2014. Before we start, I want to just give you the full disclosure. Everything I do is strictly for education to try to make you become a better trader. Nothing is meant for any personal advice for anyone, and the disclosure is here, and you can actually read it. Let me just start. What I'm going to talk about is about the S&P and the Nasdaq. It's pretty interesting yesterday, Friday's action, and especially with the biotechs, which has been one of the leading sectors. And that's really what I want to talk about. And the fact is, it's a question mark for me as well as for many other traders. Are we having a sector rotation, or are the leaders starting to fall? You need to put things into context that right now we've had 8 distribution days, which are extremely negative for the Nasdaq, and you can see them here. Had a big down day yesterday, a lot of volume, a lot of negative volume here as well, and this rally didn't have a lot of volume. One of the rules I simply use is if the 10-period exponential crosses the 30, you don't want to be long. I mean, at least I don't want to be long, and then especially if we're again, as long as we're above the 200-period exponential moving average here also. But there's a couple different variations of it. You can also look if you're a certain percentage off the highs, and the high on the QQQs was 91.36. So it was another, let's say, line of demarcation for me is if we get down to a point which is about 3.5% below that, it gives me another reason why I don't want to be in this market. I only want to be in the strongest stocks, in the strongest sectors when the market is strong. Falling between these moving averages is showing me the market is not so strong. Can the market heal itself and rebound? 100%. This is what the whole point is being flexible when you're a trader. Not having an opinion, not being a bear, not being a bull, not looking to call things, not looking to be right. Really, the goal is just to make money. And if you follow simple rules, you can stay on the right track in the market. And just showing you some of these were some of the leaders, and you can see how they've fallen off. Like this one has fallen from 230 down to 209. ALXN or Activist, ALXN is the next one, and that really got hammered and a huge volume, which you can see right here. It took out the 50-period exponential moving average. Very negative action. Basically, it gapped up, and everything that it gapped up, it gave back. You don't want to see this if you're long. You can also look at variant. It's knocking on the door of the 50-period exponential moving average. Again, it doesn't really mean anything at this point. The volume wasn't all that strong, but the fact is we're possibly either having 2 scenarios. One is rotation in the leaders. But more plausibly, what I see is that there's severe weakness in the Nasdaq. And again, you read what the market's telling you. Forget about your opinions. Your opinions don't mean anything. My opinions don't mean anything. And I'm going to tell you, you're going to have many times losses. The goal that you have to try to do is try to keep these losses small. Try. Again, things can gap, things can move. Again, that's why you have stops. I trade with stops. The other thing is you're going to go through periods of durations of not making money and drawdowns. This is reality. You don't want to jump between systems. This is what trading is. It's never easy. And that's why I made Trend Following Mentor, so I could help you become a better trader if you want. I have courses, as well as I have one-on-one mentoring, and I travel a lot. I also give lectures, and I even help institutional investors and traders become better investors. And I'm always surprised how so many institutional investors that really are holding your money don't really have the proper tools in order to compound money. Again, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor. If I can help you, the best is to email me. I would prefer not the phone calls. Email me, and then we can set a time to talk if you really want. Or I also have courses that I could help you with. Again, the whole idea is what I do is these one-on-one consulting, and that's really what make I had mentors that helped me, and they didn't teach me any magical formula or anything like that because it doesn't exist. They taught me how to think. They taught me how to develop a trading plan that matches my personality, and that's what I can help you with as well. Thank you.